Camp Nou continues to move one step closer to its return, and once again, there are some major construction updates to cover. From new progress on the compression ring to the rapid installation of the new pitch, the stadium continues to make impressive progress with each passing week. Several key areas have moved forward once again, bringing the project another step closer to completion. Let's take a closer look. Construction of the compression ring continues to advance at an impressive pace as 2 additional compression ring boxes have now been successfully installed. Alongside these new segments, another radial beam has also been positioned while a new support column has been erected beside the tower crane. With every new installation, the ring extends further toward the Tribuna stand, bringing one of the stadium's most important structural elements closer to completion. Inside the stadium, construction activity remains intense across multiple levels. Permanent spaces are becoming increasingly recognizable as finishing work continues throughout the interior. From circulation areas to hospitality spaces, crews are working simultaneously across different sections, making the transformation of the stadium more visible with every passing week. As more temporary construction materials disappear, the finished areas are beginning to reflect the stadium's final appearance. The installation of the new natural grass is progressing rapidly across the playing surface. Large sections of the pitch have already been laid, while workers continue stitching the individual rolls together to create a seamless surface. Compared to previous installations, the work is advancing at a noticeably faster pace, bringing the stadium another major step closer to being ready for football once again. Only a limited portion of the field now remains unfinished, highlighting the impressive speed of the installation process. A new permanent dividing structure is now taking shape between the second tier and the future VIP ring. Crews are installing additional framing elements that will separate both areas, while new access openings are also becoming visible. This work is helping define the future layout of the premium hospitality spaces as the stadium's internal structure continues to evolve. These permanent installations are making the overall configuration of the VIP level much easier to recognize. Significant progress is also being made inside the VIP ring, where more partition walls and internal layouts are now clearly visible. Workers continue fitting out the future hospitality suites, with additional door openings and enclosed spaces gradually taking shape. As construction advances, the premium areas are beginning to resemble their final configuration. Each completed section provides a clearer picture of how these hospitality spaces will look once fully finished. Finishing work continues throughout the interior corridors beneath the seating bowl. Crews are applying epoxy floor coatings across more sections, creating smooth, durable surfaces that give these public circulation areas a much cleaner and more finished appearance. The contrast between completed and unfinished sections clearly highlights the steady progress being made throughout the stadium. These finishing works represent another important step toward preparing the stadium for future matchday operations. The third tier continues to show visible progress as work advances across both the seating bowl and surrounding structural areas. Temporary scaffolding is gradually being removed from completed sections, revealing more of the finished concrete structure. At the same time, workers remain active on various installations throughout the upper level, bringing the stadium closer to completing one of its most iconic features. With each update, the upper tier is looking more complete as construction gradually shifts toward finishing activities. Installation of the decorative ceramic lamellas continues to accelerate on the south lateral mobility cores. Using specialized lifting platforms, crews are adding more red ceramic panels to the facade, gradually covering larger portions of the exposed concrete structure. As additional rows are installed, the stadium's distinctive architectural identity becomes increasingly visible. The contrast between the completed facade and the remaining exposed sections clearly shows how quickly this area is progressing. Work is also progressing steadily on the south lateral mobility cores with the installation of additional sandwich panels. More sections of the structural frame are now enclosed, while interior construction continues behind the newly installed cladding. Together with the ceramic lamellas, These panels are rapidly transforming the exterior appearance of the mobility cores and bringing the facade closer to its final design. As more panels are installed, the mobility cores are beginning to display their final architectural form. Work continues on the south goal lamella support structure as crews steadily prepare this entire section for ceramic facade installation. The lower support frames are now fully connected, creating a solid base for the future facade system, while work remains focused on completing the upper vertical connections. Several workers are still carrying out alignment and finishing tasks across the steel framework to ensure every support is correctly positioned. The lateral mobility core has now entered its final preparation stage before ceramic lamella installation begins. Surface finishing and protective painting have already been completed, while crews continue making the last adjustments to the support framework and anchor system. Every visible sign indicates that this area is now construction ready for the facade. Large stacks of ceramic lamellas have already been delivered and stored directly beside the mobility core, confirming that installation is expected to begin very soon. Another important milestone has been achieved on the lateral facade, as all temporary formwork panels have now been removed from one of the newly completed diamond structures. The finished reinforced concrete geometry is now fully exposed, giving a clear view of the final architectural shape. This means 2 of the 3 new lateral diamonds are now structurally completed, while work continues on the remaining diamond, where reinforcement is still being finalized ahead of its upcoming concrete pour. Construction continues to progress around the lateral corner mobility core with additional facade support members now installed across the structure. At the same time, crews remain busy applying protective paint to the exposed steel beams before the remaining support frames are fitted. Once the final supports are in place, workers will continue installing the horizontal connecting members followed by the ceramic lamella anchor brackets, bringing this corner section much closer to the beginning of facade installation. Material handling operations remain active throughout the north goal sector as tower cranes continue lifting construction materials onto the upper levels of the stadium. Elevated work platforms are also operating across several areas, allowing crews to carry out finishing work, structural adjustments, and preparation tasks simultaneously. Although this section has already made significant progress, regular lifting operations continue supporting the next phase of construction. Preparation for ceramic facade installation continues to advance in the north goal corner. Additional structural support brackets have now been installed, reducing the number of unfinished positions across this section. A few support locations still remain incomplete while beam finishing continues, but once these remaining supports are installed, crews will begin adding the connecting members and finally the anchor brackets that will hold the ceramic lamellas. Mechanical services installation continues beneath the north goal cantilever as crews steadily expand the stadium's utility network. Pipework now extends across a much larger portion of the underside of the cantilever, with protected work areas confirming that installation is still actively progressing. As more sections are completed, this underground service network is gradually taking shape beneath the entire overhanging structure. The Tribuna compression ring continues advancing at an impressive pace and remains one of the fastest-moving structural elements of the entire project. Another radial beam and its supporting column have now been installed, creating 3 consecutive structural bays that are fully prepared for compression ring box installation. The structure has now advanced almost as far as the main tower crane, leaving only a handful of compression ring boxes needed before this section is connected. Construction activity remains intense across the Tribuna stand, where multiple work fronts are progressing simultaneously. Crews continue structural finishing, material handling, and facade preparation throughout the area, while new construction materials and compression ring components continue arriving on site. Glass support structures are also being installed along sections of the facade, while preparations continue for future sandwich panel installation and the next phase of exterior finishing.